From Aliexpress, of course. For $3 you can get this module, which is pretty cool. And what is it? It's a 3 watts plus 3 watts PAM8403 amplifier board, dual channel stereo, Class D audio amplifier, Bluetooth 5.0, 18650 battery holder, speaker, charger, everything in this board. $3 from Aliexpress. And I got it. Bubbles. And what it says in description: product name, Bluetooth audio amplifier board, product model XH-A153, function type, amplifier audio supply voltage DC 5 volts, Bluetooth version 5.0, chip type PAM8403, number of channels 2 channels, stereo output power 3 watts 2 times, magnification 4 times, and size is 93 by 42 by 25 millimeters, and it weighs 27 grams. As you see, together with the board comes with these 2 wires that need to be connected. Where? Here we have left and right output for the speakers. This module is amazing because of you can place the 18650 battery right here in this battery holder, and that will be charged through one of these USB ports. We have Type C USB port and micro USB port, double function, that is good. We have 2 LEDs for indicating that the battery is charging and fully charged. This one is the amplifier chip. Yes, PAM8403. This little chip, 8-pin chip, is for charging the lithium battery. And on the left side we have the Bluetooth audio receiver, and also just 2 control buttons for previous and next and up and down volume. With these 2 buttons you can control the smartphone. That's it. Oh, I forgot the main switch. That is nice. And for $3 this board looking good. Let's put the battery and power on. Okay. Let's place the battery. Very nice. Let's measure the battery voltage. It's already turned on. Blue LED light, meaning searching for signal. Turning off. Four volts. Alright. And we're gonna measure later. Does it charge properly? Okay. I'm gonna connect the 2 wires for connecting the speaker. We have left and right speaker. And I'm gonna test this unit or module with these speakers that I think are pulled out from car. I got them from local flea market, very cheap, almost $2. I'm gonna connect them and hear how they sound. Before trying to play some music, let's see with my USB meter how much milliamperes is charging the battery. 250 milliamperes. Good. That is a decent charging rate for lithium batteries like this one, 18650. And this board is beautiful. It have a charger, it have a Bluetooth, it have a amplifier 2 times by 3 watts, everything you need to make your own audio amplifier box. Okay, I'm ready. The left and the right speaker is connected with the module and turning on in 3, 2, 1.
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode. Okay, let's play some music from my smartphone. What do you think? Please comment below about the sound of quality or quality sound. The one negative thing about this module is it doesn't have pause and play button, only volume down and up, previous and next track. That's it. And the main power switch. Yes, previous and next choosing track is working great. Okay. It's beautiful board, as I said, with audio, Bluetooth receiver, amplifier, lithium battery charger, everything you need for making a DIY power audio amplifier. For more information you can check in description below. I will put a link from Aliexpress. I see bubbles. Yes. They are empty. Oh no. They are full. Okay. I missed. Product description, it says input voltage here says it from 4.3 volts to 32 volts, output from 5 to 52 volts, incoming current 4 amperes maximum, efficiency 94%, the highest, and the normal efficiency is 85%, switching frequency 400 kHz, output ripple 50 millivolts, and the size is almost 7 centimeters by 3.8 centimeters. Now take a closer look of the PCB board or the DC-DC converter module, and looking awesome. It has an arrow. It says this is the input, this is the output. I'm holding the wrong way, sorry. We have input, output. The main integrated circuit is LM2596 with this blue thing, multi-term potentiometer, so you can adjust the voltage. We have 7-segment LED voltmeter, one switch. We're gonna find out what it's doing. Oh, there are 2 LEDs down, in and out. Probably when you push it will show the voltage input, press it, voltage output. 15 watts of DC-DC buck boost converter. Okay, let's put some input and output wires. much faster with this electric screwdriver. Okay, tight. Let's hook up power now. Okay, my power supply is set on 12 volts. Powering up in 3, 2, 1. And yes, take a look. It's showing 1.32 volts. From 12 volts we step down the voltage to 1.3 volts. By the way, to mention, this is not step up, step down module. This is just step up. But if you put, let's say, 30 volts, you can adjust from 1.3 volts to maximum 30 volts. But this module cannot boost the voltage from 5, let's say, to 12 or 20 volts. It's not that kind of module. Right now we are getting in DC voltage 12 volts. It's showing the output right here. Just to zoom in. Okay, this is the output voltage, and when you press the button, will show the input voltage 12.3 volts. I'm sending 12 volts, but it's showing on the voltmeter 12.1. It's okay. Maybe when I touch the board, it's increasing the voltage. No, doesn't matter. And with this multi-turn potentiometer, you can adjust the voltage. We're gonna go to output 1.3. Okay, 1 point. Look. Now we have 5 volts output and 12 volts input, and it says that can handle 4 amperes, which is nice. And I like that it have this function. You can monitor the input voltage and the output voltage on this tiny LED voltmeter. Okay, let's hook up a testing bulb. This is a car bulb, works on 12 volts and is pulling 1.7 amperes. I'm gonna hook up right here on output and take a look. We are at 5 volts output and input is 12. We're gonna increase the voltage to 12 volts, let's say. Whoa, it's not giving because my power supply is current limit. Let's allow to 2 amperes maybe. Alright, increase a little bit more. 10. Alright, need a little bit more voltage. Okay, now you can see that the voltage input is 15 volts. Also you can see here, just here, the input is 15.8 volts and the output is 12.2 volts. And if you increase the input voltage, the output will stay the same, 12.2 volts. This is great. It's super great that you can control the output DC voltage with this cheap DC to DC converter. Now we have 5 volts and the input is 18 volts. Great, and you can monitor on this LED voltmeter, which is good. Also you can control a fan using this module. Input 18 volts, the output is almost 6 volts, and you can increase the voltage or adjust the voltage output with the potentiometer. And look, it's getting faster. $12 volts. Now it's working much smooth. You can even hear it. Okay, now I'm gonna test the limit. How many amperes is gonna give this module. It says that it's maximum 4 amperes. I'm gonna try with 3 amperes. That is 15 watts at 5 volts. 5 volts times 3 amperes, 15 watts. My electronic load, it's not finished yet, but will be very soon. And I'm powering the electronic load, and right now it's pulling 1.3 amperes from the power supply. The voltage stay at 5.3 volts, increasing 5.3, and yes, we have 3 amperes. The voltage drop at how many? 1.2 it's giving 2.6 volts, and 2.8 it's holding 2.9 amperes, and it's a little bit hot. Maybe need a heat sink right here. For 60 cents from Aliexpress, this module is great. I can't believe it that they built it for under $1 with LED voltmeter, with the multi-turn potentiometer, with the voltage regulator, the connectors, the PCB board. The link will be in description below, so you can check it. Look what I ordered from internet, this beautiful PCB board, and it says that it can handle 60 amperes. And what is it? It's a BMS, Battery Management System Board, for continuous discharge charge power, that can be used for electric drills with starting current below 120 amperes and below 260 watts. This board is for charging 3S batteries, and it can be wired like this. And I got it. No bubbles. Oh. Come on. And what is beautiful about this PCB board? Beside that, 10 MOSFETs for charging, discharging the lithium batteries. You have from the left side charge point, and from the right side discharge, meaning you can charge and discharge at the same time with only one board. There are points for 0, 4.2 volts, 8.4 volts and 12.6 volts. Balance Management System Board for lithium batteries. 12.6 volts, revision 2.3, 60 amperes. This tiny board can handle 60 amperes and can be used, let's say, for drill that pull very much current. You can see on the photo the wiring diagram, how to connect the cells with the BMS board, and it's not too much complicated. Okay, let's continue with the project. These are my cells, 18650 batteries. I have 3 pairs. 2 18650 are connected in parallel, so I will get 4, 8, 12 volts and connected just like on the wiring diagram with the BMS Balanced Management System board. Let's connect now. So far so good. I assemble all the cells, place the board on top, and by the way, I didn't mention, this kind of BMS board costs around $1 to $2. It's cheap. I'm gonna make the connection from the board to the cells. Let's do that. Let's check the batteries before connect that with the wires. 4 volts, 4, the second one, and the third one also 4. Okay. I know that it's better to use a spot welder, but in this case I'm soldering a wires between the cells, and I have already ordered a spot welder from online, and very soon I will make a review video. Okay, now the next one. All 3 cells are connected in series, and right now I will measure so I can see is there 12 volts. This one is positive, this one is negative, and yes, I got 12 volts. So far so good. Finish it with wiring all the wires between the board and the cells, and just to solder wires for charge and discharge or load. Just to check the voltages, here we have 4 volts, 8 volts and 12. The battery pack with BMS board is finished. We have on these wires charge and discharge or load. Please be careful, you don't want to short it or any kind of bad things. The worst thing is explosion. Be careful, I'm gonna put marks like here where it says charging, and this is the discharging, and it's time for testing. And on purpose the negative wire is short than the positive on the both sides, just for protection, just to connect the positive wires to the drill, and the negative will go through the ampere meter on the multimeter. I need to use this multimeter because it can handle 20 amperes. Alright, and let's try it. Yes, working fine. It's not pulling very much because this drill is 20 volts. I'm sending just 12 volts and it's pulling only 1 amp. Alright. Okay, here I have another drill. Let's try this one. Ooh, working fine, and it's pulling 7 amperes. That was the maximum, I think. 8 amperes. Ooh, I like it, and working great. This battery pack turned out okay. Okay, now I will show you that this battery pack with the balanced management system board is charging properly, sending 12.6 volts from my power supply. The current is limited to 1.3 amperes and it's charging. Okay, the first cell 4 4.18 volts. The second we have 8.35 volts, and the third together 12.5 volts. Alright, everything is okay. In this video I wanted just to show you how you can assemble and make your own battery pack. This one is 12 volts using a BMS board. I show you how to do it. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. From Aliexpress, 99 cents. With welcome deal, or the regular price is $1.99, you can get this amazing Arduino module. And what is it? It's an original 0.96 inch OLED display module, 128 by 64 pixels screen board for Arduino. And using this OLED screen you can do fantastic projects. It comes in 3 different colors: white, blue with yellow on the top, or the all screen in blue. Works on 5 volts 4-pin connection with the Arduino board. I ordered it and I got it. And here it is, Arduino OLED screen, 4-pin, 128 by 64 pixels, work on 5 volts, and it's tiny. And let's measure the dimensions. 27 millimeters by 27 millimeters, this OLED screen. And as I told you, using this OLED screen, 128 by 64 pixels, you can do amazing projects like this. And I made this project a couple of years ago, I think, and it's a game console, portable game console using a coin battery, 3 volts, the OLED screen, the Arduino chip, which is ATtiny85, a buzzer and 3 push switches. And take a look how awesome it is. It's a space attack. Oh, you can shoot the aliens and play the game on this tiny OLED screen. All the information how to make this will be in description below, so you can check it and download the files, or to see the whole video how I made this game console. Come on, man. Oh, high score 270. Okay, let's see the next. And what is it? This Dino 3D printed Dino gadget. Just to plug in, it works with the USB. Plug in and take a look. It have a RGB LEDs, self-fading RGB LEDs, and a OLED screen, and it's a little weather station. And you can see on the screen it shows the temperature, it shows the pressure and the humidity. Inside there is a sensor for measuring all that stuff. Also there is a Arduino Nano board inside, the OLED screen and the sensor. And I placed a couple of RGB self-fading LEDs that turn out pretty cool. The case is 3D printed, also will be in description below, so you can check it if you want to make it. And you need to admit it, it looks amazing. And this project was for my children. This gadget sits on the on the table in the room, and they can monitor the temperature, the pressure and the humidity, and in the same time it's a desk lamp, RGB desk lamp. Alright. Okay, so you get it using this small OLED screen, 128 by 64 pixels, that you can get from Aliexpress, and the link will be in description below. That cost with welcome deal $1, regular price $2. You can make awesome Arduino projects like this, and I love them. A game console, a tiny game console with retro games. Or you can do a project like this for your children. Okay. For $1 from AliExpress you can get this module. And what is it? It's a DC 3.7 volts multifunctional Bluetooth audio amplifier board, dual amplifier, V96 DIY circuit board, micro USB charging interface. Alright, and for $1 you can get this module that have stereo output. And what kind of chip is that inside? I don't know. We're gonna find out. And I got it. Oh, no bubbles. Just the wires and the board itself and the instruction manual. And what it says in description: it's a regular MP3 player that can be hooked up a 3.7 volt rechargeable battery, and you can charge it through the micro USB connector. It has the main power on off switch, and this aux input, I was taught it's aux input audio, but in description it says insert the microphone. We're gonna try that also. In the description it says that can deliver 3 to 5 watts on each channel, and from behind the board we have the left and the right output for the speakers, and this red is for connecting battery positive and battery negative terminal, and should be charged through the micro USB connector. We have 4 push switches. M is for mode, volume down, maybe this is previous track, play and pause, volume up, and next track. At front we have the USB disk for inserting a memory with MP3 songs, the micro SD card reader, and that's it. And oh, I forgot, on top we have the Bluetooth receiver, and maybe, but I'm gonna find out, does it have FM radio? I don't think so, but I'm gonna test it. Let's hook up everything now. Alright, I connect the 18650 rechargeable battery to the board, and also I connect one speaker, and turning on in 3, 2, 1.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Oh, maximum volume. Why? Mode.
FM tuner.
And yes, it have a FM radio receiver. I didn't know that, but there it is. And also on the board there is a spot where you can solder a antenna. But why the volume is up?
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
It's ready to pair. Okay.
FM tuner.
I have tested too many Bluetooth devices. BT speaker. Pairing.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Okay. Can I control the volume? That is very important thing. Yes. But the girl, she's saying Bluetooth is too loud. I think that thing can be controlled. And the sound is pretty clear. But I'm using this Sony speaker pull out from old radio, and it's very decent here. Let's try the USB disc.
Music.
Alright. All the buttons are working fine. And the play pause. Okay. Removing that.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
She stressed me out. The volume is maxed. Inserting the micro SD card.
Music.
Okay, also the micro SD card is working fine. And the funny thing is that this aux input is really for microphone, and it's with echo. Hello, 1, 2, 3, hello. This board is, I don't know, maybe good, maybe bad, but the best thing is that it have a microphone input with echo. Whoa. I'm using this Sony microphone. Fine. And the last test is to see with how many milliamperes this board is charging the lithium battery. 100 milliamperes. But this battery is already full. Alright. It's working, and it have a red indicator that will turn into blue when the battery is fully charged. That is okay. One more thing, I need to remove the battery so I can see is this thing working with the micro USB connection. Turning on.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Alright, it's working. But I didn't find a way to lower down the volume when that Chinese girl is speaking.